Can you see the workbook on screen? Yes. Okay, now listen. Listen, students. This page we have already done in the. In case if anybody has missed out of this or whatever the reason, okay, listen. Whatever the reason, बेटा सब लोग साथ बोलेंगे तो कैसे हो पाएगा? You just listen to me, and if you want to speak, raise your hand. Okay? Am I properly audible now? Yes, Kalunya. So listen, this page we have already completed. In case if anybody has missed out, either because of network or because you are absent, whatever the reason, you can take the screenshot of this page. किसी को इसमें से कुछ भी बाकी है तो, okay? Now comes the second page. This page also we have completed, but again, if anybody has left out, please take the screenshot. Anybody requires this now? Anybody requires page? No. Okay, now see carefully. Here we had written match the following last one. Central government, number 5 central government. फिर हमने डैश करके क्या लिखा था? Starts new trains between two cities. ये लिखा था. Okay, now you will directly write number 6. यहाँ पर आपने 5 लिखा था ना? Okay, now यहाँ पर सीधा number 6 लिखो. Okay, now what to write in number 6 that I am sharing? Am I clear, all of you? Okay, there is one more question over here you can see. तो आप लिखोगे number 6, law framing body of the government dash करके legislative body. Number 7, law executive body of the government dash करके the executive committee. In short, this will be your number 6, 7, 8, 9. Is it very clear? All of you समझ में आ रहा है? Okay. After that, leave 2 lines and give the title. Answer the following and see the first question given. यहाँ तक आप लिखोगे. After that, I will give the answers to you. Okay. Any doubts? Anybody? Any doubts? अभी दिख रहा है सबको? Can you see? Okay, start writing. Okay, now we are going on to question answers. This will be your 5.1. Why does every nation require the government? Now be very careful. This answer is divided into 2 parts. So I am marking it. This is how you have to write. Start from here. The government is necessary to ensure that the law is same for everyone. It frames laws and sees that it is implemented. Right up to here. ठीक है, फिर implemented के बाद full stop कर देना. Then directly go to this line. The government thus plays a vital role in maintaining law, order and peace and also ensures the development of the nation, up to nation. Okay? Did you understand how to write, all of you? Okay, this will be your 5.1. Start writing. Now comes your question number 2. Write down the question first. On which different levels does the government work? Does the government work? I repeat, On which different levels does the government work? Question mark. Ready with the question? Your answer starts from here. Our government. Okay, अब our का O करना capital from here. Our government works at different levels. Local level, state level and national level. Local level government is concerned with the affairs of villages and cities. State level government deals with matters at the state level, while the government at the national level is responsible for work related to the entire nation. Up to entire nation. This is your 5.2. Got it, all of you? Did you get it? Okay. Start writing. Okay, now question number 3. Write down the question. What is what is the chief function? Check the chief function. माइक बंद करो बेटा. Of the government. Of the government. I repeat, what is the chief function of the government? Put a question mark. Answer starts from here. देखो सबसे नीचे. Law and order is very important for the proper functioning of the government. Only one sentence. Up to of the government. That makes your answer 5.3. Any doubts? सबसे नीचे देखो मैं law and order. Got it? Question 4. Which body of the government of the government is known ऐसा लिखना KNOWN known as the legislative assembly. Legislative L capital, assembly A capital. I repeat, which body of the government is known as the legislative assembly? Put a question mark. Got it, all of you? Okay. Here is your answer. It starts from here. यहाँ से. The arm that frames laws is known as legislature, which comprises the Vidhan Sabha. Up to Vidhan Sabha. Bracket भी लिखोगे. This is your 5.2. Got it, all of you? Okay, today we will do only up to 4 from answer 5. We will complete. We will start tomorrow. Okay?